Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a post on X, formerly Twitter. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to X, open your account, and after that, go click on your picture on the top left of the screen. After that, click on Profile. Go to the post that you want to delete. And after that, for example, I will delete this post. As you can see, there is 3 dots on the top right of the screen. Click on them and you will have multiple options. I will choose the first one, delete post. Click on it, click delete, and voila, the post is deleted. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.